Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a jersey on Roblox Mobile. First, you will need two essential applications on your smartphone or tablet: the Roblox app itself and a reliable image editing program. Popular choices include Ibis Paint X or even Autodesk Sketchbook, which are freely available and offer excellent tools. Having these ready will make your creative journey much smoother and more efficient. Next, your creative process begins by finding a blank Roblox jersey template online. This template ensures your design fits perfectly within the game's specifications and dimensions. Once you have it, open this image in your selected drawing application. You can then start laying down your foundational colors and initial design patterns, making sure to work on separate layers for flexibility. Think about your desired aesthetic, such as a vibrant sports team or a unique character outfit. Now, it is time to personalize your jersey with exciting details. Add team logos, unique text, or any intricate patterns you desire, placing each element carefully. Using separate layers for these details within your drawing app is crucial. This allows you to adjust or remove components easily without affecting the base design. When you are completely satisfied with your creation, save the final image as a high-quality PNG file, ensuring its background is completely transparent. To bring your design to life in Roblox, open your mobile web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Log into your account, then access the Create section from the menu. From there, select either shirts or t-shirts based on what you have designed, as jerseys usually fall under the shirt category. Click on the Choose File button to upload your newly created PNG image, then provide a catchy, descriptive name for your awesome new jersey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.